Hello, my name is Mekayla Curtis, and today I will be informing you about the history, types, and effects of abortion. Due to the vast advances in technology, the mindset of humanity has changed over the past few hundred years. The types vary widely and require different levels of involvement from mothers and medical professionals. The possible side effects and long-lasting effects of each type vary and can range from depression to nausea and vomiting, and even to the death of a mother. Starting with the history of abortion. Previous to the technology of ultrasounds, women believed that if the child wasn't born, it wasn't alive. In evidence stated by Marco 2016 in the study of the anatomy of abortion, if her pregnancy was so early that the embryo was indiscernible, which would have been more than likely within a month after the missed period, she probably would not have thought of this as any sort of termination at all. If the embryo was visible but highly underdeveloped, she may have thought of this as the expulsion of a mole or a false pregnancy, a faux conception or faux germ, and not really a human creation of any kind. Roe v. Wade decided in 1973 legalized abortion in the U.S. Cited from a summary on History 2019, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down a Texas statute banning abortion, effectively legalizing the procedure across the United States. The court held that a woman's right to an abortion was implicit in the right to privacy, protected by the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. Fact about pregnancy and abortion, found in the Gale Encyclopedia of Public Health by Gordon et al. 2020. According to research published in a 2011 issue of Contraception, 49% of pregnancies among American women are unintended, and about 43% of those end in abortion. On to the types of abortion. There are many types, carrying different amounts of responsibility and medical involvement. The first section is surgical abortions. There are two main types, both taking a clinical visit of between 3 and 4 hours. The first and most common type is aspiration, otherwise known as vacuum abortion. It is the most common, typically done before 15 weeks. It takes between 5 and 10 minutes, where the mother is dilated and the doctor sucks the child out in pieces. Then there is the D&E, dilation and evacuation abortion. It is done in over 15 weeks, and it takes between 10 and 20 minutes. In combination with a smaller suction device and other medical tools, the doctor pulls apart the body and pulls it out of the mother. The last part of this process is crushing the skull of the child, then using a metal looped tool to clean out the uterus, making sure that there is nothing left. Lastly is the effects of abortion. There can be both psychological and physical short and long-term effects. Psychological effects range from depression to even the fear of vacuums, most commonly from undergoing an aspiration abortion. The physical effects have an even greater range, from nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain to long-lasting infertility, and although uncommon, can result in death. From the International Journal of Reproduction, Contraception, Obstetrics, and Gynecology, nausea, 56%, is the most common side effect of mifepristone. Chills, 33%, is the most common side effect of misoprostol, as well as 27% experiencing abdominal pain, 2% experiencing diarrhea, and 5% vomiting. In conclusion, abortions have undergone much change under the last couple hundred years. There are multiple types of procedures, and from each, possible effects to be aware of. With new technologies in place and laws being made, awareness needs to be more so. So I hope to have informed you well today.